welcome to DocArt. Hello guys, I'm DocArt, and now I will draw Spongebob Squarepants and Patrick Star. Enjoy the draw!
Where's your best friend now, SpongeBob?
Well, according to this t-shirt, it says my best friend is right here.
How about now?
Right by my side. Wow, clothing that announces our feelings for each other. Let's get him, Patrick.
I don't know. What do you want to do today?
I don't know. What do you want to do today?
I don't know what you want to do today. I know what I want to do today. Our friendship ring!
Guess we'll never have fun together again.
You said you found my dislodged cranial cap last time.
Yes?
Where exactly did you find it?
It was right here.
Impossible!
Keep crying! I'll do the same and maybe I can slip out of this thing.
I can't do it! SpongeBob! Come back!
Patrick, I'm not coming home.
I miss you! Sandy misses you! Even Squidward misses you!
I'm happy here. So did I. My best friend made it for me.
Shh, okay. You can be a spy. Just be quiet.
Fat Boy,
Reporting for duty.
SpongeBob, snap out of it! It's me, your best friend, Patrick!
What's that? I can't hear you, what with all the lonely voices in my head.
Oh man, he's too far gone.
Not fit to live in society.
Is this all my fault? Me and my dumb ideas! I'm so sorry!
Whose fleece was white as
Picklefish lips! Sea weevil!
Yorkie Snorgie. At least I'm safe inside my mind.
At least I'm safe inside my mind.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification. See ya!